So the next big feature is coming out for Token Metrics. One, I would say we're launching Token Metrics version 2.0. Version 2.0 would be rebuilt from the ground up, different backend database to be a lot faster, a lot more modern user interface, user experience, and just better, having a lot more data points. So going from like about 130, 150 to possibly over 1,000 data points. Data points will include sentiment analysis, adding on-chain metrics for Bitcoin and Ethereum, adding metrics for DeFi, such as total value locked, adding metrics from other capital markets, such as futures contracts, S&P 500 indices, adding macroeconomic indicators such as real estate data, adding economic data. And basically our vision is to build a super AI that will know everything about investing and trading crypto. This will be the know-it-all AI. So imagine like a Watson AI for crypto, or like a Siri or Alexa for crypto. Like that's what we're building. We're building it in levels, but that is the future. So yes, it is a very scary future, but we think it's amazing. We think because it's the future. Blockchain, crypto is the future, and AI is the future, and we're merging them all into one company. And if we do what we hope to do or intend to do, this is over several years, right? From not just 1 year. This is like the 5 to 10 year roadmap. If we actually build the super AI, you'll never have to do TA ever again. You'll never have to research a crypto ever again, because this AI will know everything, because it will have thousands of data points, and it will be able to learn and evolve over time and tell you, okay, this is what is happening. Because imagine just being able to have an AI write investment reports for you. That's something we're also thinking about. That's way out down the line, but once we have the data and the analysis and the AI, we can generate reports. We can maybe even have it speak to you like Siri and Alexa. That'd be pretty cool, right? As an app. Imagine having an app. You ask it, hey, what do you think about P Network? And using our data, it tells you what it thinks. Obviously, not financial advice, but it tells you its opinion on P Network. I mean, that's powerful, right? So we're putting that in levels. First is really the website, the web application. That's Token Metrics 2.0. Then we're also launching the asset allocator next year. That's an Ethereum-based smart contract, basically a DeFi asset allocator that takes our AI indices and lets you invest in them passively through a non-custodial manner. So kind of like what people are doing with token sets, with Yearn Finance, all those other projects. But obviously being in the US, regulation is a lot tougher. That's why it's taking a lot longer. But our goal is to take the indices and let you be able to leverage them on your own accord using Ethereum-based smart contracts. That's going to be powerful. So they would be basically buying and selling using Uniswap, 1H Exchange, all those DEXs, and that's going to be big. So that's also coming. The other part I'm very excited for. So Jad, a quant on our team, has been working on automated technical analysis. So imagine, because right now on the site we have technical analysis, but it's not really too helpful, right? Based on customer feedback. Let me pull this up here. So let's do Blockstack, for example. So let me share my screen. All right, so here we have Blockstack. If we go to technical analysis, yes, we have a grade and we have indicators here, right? So, but we want to make this super simple for you. So what we're working on is basically TradingView. So imagine we have 6,000 cryptocurrencies in our platform, and we have an AI that will do the TA for you visually. And it will even dumb it down to a point where it just tells you market cycles, bullish, bearish, right? So you don't have to be an expert to do TA. You can research 6,000 coins and it will tell you what cycle it's going in. And the way we're doing that is taking, right now we have about 20 something technical analysis indicators. We've been able to expand those to 90 currently in testing. Then we'll have the AI take all those 90 indicators, find out which ones matter based on back testing, and combine them into one super indicator and visualize that for you, right? And the visualization is what's crucial. Kind of like how you do technical analysis on TradingView, right? What Bill does and other traders do. But if we could summarize all of that into just one visual indicator that's super simple, then anybody could understand what to do. That is going to be powerful. Then we also have sentiment analysis coming. We're running custom sentiment models by pulling data from Telegram, from Twitter, from Reddit, from news sites, Google Trends, all on an individual coin, and having the AI try to figure out if we can leverage that data to make money. So just think about that. Not just for Bitcoin, not just for Ethereum, but for as many coins as we can. Because we plan to scale to 6,000 coins and get all the coins that are available on CoinGecko. So imagine having 6,000 coins, having sentiment analysis where we're tracking all the chats in the public Telegram groups. I mean, it is kind of scary, kind of like Big Brother, but hey, it's public data. Telegram's API makes it available, so we can track and see if there are any changes in the Telegram groups for any coin that has a Telegram group, or for Reddit, and then add that to the TA. So the future is bright. Definitely very excited. We'll definitely keep you posted with what's coming up, but very, very excited for that. All right, let us know what you think. Let us know what features you're most excited for down below. Will you have an anti-AI bit incorporated into that? I mean to say, I can see a point where one AI system tries to outwit the other AI system by understanding the data points and possibly manipulate. Well, I mean, obviously AI is not fully perfect and there are issues, but we think with the help of humans, it's kind of like that show Westworld on HBO, right? That's kind of, we're trying to build up towards that, but for crypto. But I think it's fascinating. But as long as we have a community with us, which we do, right? Our goal is to make sure we're building something the community wants to use, right? So we're always getting feedback. Right now, I do understand the site has been unstable, but so please bear with us. We went from having 600 cryptocurrencies to about 3,500, right? So those API requests have been giving us issues scaling because there's just so much demand. We're basically building a big data engine powered by AI for crypto. So there's been latency in terms of how often some prices update. So we do plan to update that. But yeah, I mean, that's what keeps me up at night.